Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I'm back here to show my skincare that I forgot to show yesterday. So to start off, I have these oils that I use all the time. So I have this hyaluronic acid oil. I use all these every day. So I have this overnight recovery serum, and then I have this collagen facial serum, this morning glow lab serum. I got all of these at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. This is the vitamin C anti-aging, the morning glow vitamin C and silicone. So I alternate between these two, and then I alternate between these two collagens. So I use this Humphreys Witch Hazel as a toner because I ran out of mine, and when I went into Marshall's they just had this big bottle sitting on the shelf, so I just grabbed it. And then I have my Garnier Micellar Cleaning Water. This is not the one I usually use. I use the one with the pink cap usually. But this is all they had at the store when I had gone. And I'm down to there. And then I have a backup. I got this at the tag should still be on there. TJ Maxx. Then I have this Equate Beauty. This is similar to the Neutrogena one that I use, but this is SPF 110. I usually use this and put this on my skin every day. I currently have this that I'm using up, and it's almost empty. And I think I got this in the mail from some Beauty Deception sample box. And then I have this Pond's Hydrating Moisture Facial Moisturizer. This is what I use to wash my makeup brushes on. I got it a few years ago. It's some off-brand. This is really similar to the Sigma one. It's very good. I think I got it for like $3 to $4.99. Then I just got a bunch of Q-tips that I use for just cleaning up my eye makeup and getting rid of the mascara on my eyes. The ones I prefer are the ones like this that are pointed, and then these right here. This is just a mix of Q-tips in the bag, and then this is just a travel case for Q-tips. And then I got more. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And it just holds Q-tips. And then I got another Q-tip holder box. This is different than this one. I prefer this one to this one. It's easier to get these out than that. And then these, in my last video that I showed, I just fill it up with water and use it for my makeup sponges to soak them instead of having to go to the bathroom all the time and do it. I wanted to show this setting mist, but I forgot to show. It was in the bathroom and I accidentally left it there. So I had gotten this for $2.99 at TJ Maxx. And I lost the cap to it. I have cotton rounds for my toner, which I'm thinking of getting reusable cotton rounds that are cloth. So I just want to get on and add some of the facial masks that I have. So I have the Creme Shop Unicorn mask. And I got it for $3.99. And I've got this for $5.99. And then in this I have just some eye mask. I got 2 of them. And I got this anti-aging grapeseed facial mask. And this. So I just wanted to quickly show what's in here. I have these facial cleansing buffs. I have yet to use these. And then I have my exfoliating sponges. I have some lashes. My Adore Wispies. My Kiss Wispies. And then another set of Kiss. And then in here, I have just this BB straight blow dry stuff, floss, volumizing spray, some CC cream stuff for my hair, lotion, toothpaste, this face cleanser, cucumber and watercress. I have this cucumber facial mask, a razor nail file, and that's it. Oh, this is what I carry. This is what I used to carry makeup brushes in, but I think I'm gonna give that to my daughter. I got this at Dollar Tree. This is really hard to find. It's a 3-in-1 treatment, and I actually enjoy it, so I plan on getting more of these when I find it. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe below. Bye.